Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create Amazon affiliate account and marketing. So open your Amazon account on the browser. I will already opened, and this is the interface of Amazon account. So you want to affiliate your account. So purpose is was these are seller account, and you have to click to settings of your browser and go back. So click to back. So click on desktop site. So the interface of our Amazon account is desktop site. I click to text button and click to text button on your front where is Amazon associate. So copy that link, and this is how to create Amazon affiliate account. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.